Namaste, dear Vidwans, Vidushis, and members of the audience. We are very happy to present a special program for Kala Prashala, Journey Through Composers, featuring compositions from 7th century through current times. We would like to express our heartfelt thanks to the board members of Kala Prashala for providing us this wonderful opportunity, especially Sri H.L. Kumar and Srimati Vanitha Suresh. Today's artists are students of Karnataka Gurukul based out of Dallas, led by our Guru Vidushi, Preeti Narasimhan, herself a senior student of Vidwan Kalaimamani Sri K.N. Sashikiran and Vidwan Chitraveena Sri P. Ganesh. Preeti has been under the tutelage of Sri K.N. Sashikiran since 2011 and is continuing to receive advanced training from him, who has taught her several Varnams, Kritis, voice culture and improvisation techniques. She has performed many concerts all over the USA and India, including the coveted Chennai December music season. Since 2016, she has also been honing her skills under the mentorship of Vidwan Chitraveena Sri P. Ganesh. Preeti has also learned Western classical and voice culture techniques. She has performed in the Chennai December music season since Karnataka and Parthasarathi Swami Sabha's Global Heritage Festival, Brahmagana Sabha, RK Convention Center, Maduradwani, Chennai Fine Arts, Paddhati Music Fest, Kovayil Thiruvaiyar in Coimbatore, Guruvayurappan Temple, to name a few. Encouraged by her guru, Sri K.N. Sashikiran, she started teaching music to young children since 2013, and today she is a very sought-after guru in Dallas. Some of her students have also started performing in the USA and Chennai music season. They have also been a part of the Carnatic Symphony program conducted by Preeti's guru, Sri K.N. Sashikiran in Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana Festival, and Preeti has been a lead vocalist in this program since 2016. Preeti has trained several children to participate in this program and lead the vocals in the live performance. Preeti also conducted the Sangeet Symphony with her guru Sri K.N. Sashikiran in Raleigh, North Carolina back in 2017 and the Carnatic Harmony program in the Cleveland Tyagaraja Festival in 2019. Preeti recently was honored with the Dronacharya Award for Excellence in Carnatic Vocal Teaching by Vidwan Sri K.N. Sashikiran. Her passion for music enabled her to start free educational program called Vidya Danam, through which she shares instructional videos to learn the treasures given to us by the saint composers of this art. Preeti's goal is to make Carnatic music a common name among a wider audience, and she has also been working on Carnatic fusion projects and has worked with Indian film and Western music composers on innovative fusion projects. I will now hand over to Srimati Preeti Narasimhan, and we thank Kala Prashala for this opportunity and everyone tuned in here for the encouragement. Thank you.
Namaskaram. My name is Preeti Narasimhan and I'm a senior disciple of the Karnataka brothers, Kalaimamani Vidwan Sri K.N. Sashikiran and Vidwan Chitraveena Sri P. Ganesh. I am the founder of Karnataka Gurukul in Dallas, Texas, through which I train a lot of students to take to this beautiful art form. My sincere thanks to Kala Prashala's board, Kumarji and my very good friend Srimati Vanitha Suresh for making us a part of this beautiful platform. Today we are going to be presenting a unique theme called Journey Through Composers, and I've in fact been very passionate about this theme. In fact, last year in the Karyasiddhi Hanuman Temple in Frisco, we presented a similar theme, and I'm really happy to bring it onto this platform as well. And sincere thanks again to Kala Prashala for allowing me to present it here. Carnatic music is predominantly sung in the form of compositions called Kirtanams or Kritis. The term Vagayakara is very, very unique to Carnatic music. It refers to a person who does the job of a lyricist as well as a composer. There are several composers who have contributed to this art form for centuries, for several centuries in fact. The trinity of Carnatic music, Sri Tyagaraja Swami, Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar and Sri Shyama Shastrigal, they are very, very popular. But there have been several composers in the pre-Trinity era as well as so many modern composers post-Trinity era as well. And in this presentation, I will be covering pre-Trinity composers, the Trinity composers and the post-Trinity composers as well. My idea behind putting this segment is to show the richness of our art form over centuries. There have been several composers, it has been there for several centuries, and yet Carnatic music and all our art forms are, gaining a lot of momentum, and it's going stronger and stronger. And I really take this opportunity to again thank Kala Prashala for allowing us to present this here as well. The first composition that we will be presenting is from approximately from the 7th century by Kodai or Andal. In fact, she is credited with the great Tamil works like Tiruppavai and Nachiyar Tirumozhi. We present the first Tiruppavai, Margadi Tingal, in the Ragam Nattai and the Talamazadi. The composition will be rendered by Vidubala Vasudevan, Meenaranjani Vasudevan, and Shruti Ganesh. Shruti will be presenting a short raga outline for this composition.
மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் 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 நீராட போதுவீர் பொதுமினோ நேரிழநீர் நீராட போதுவீர் பொதுமினோ நேரிழையீர் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகார் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகார் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகார் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகார் கூர்தல் கொடும் தோழிலன் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் கூர்தல் கொடும் தோழிலன் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் கூர்தல் கொடும் தோழிலன் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் ஏராந்த கண்ணி யசோதை இளம் சிங்கம் 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 கார்மேனி சிங்கன் கதிர்மதியம் போல் முகத்தார் நாராயணனே நமக்கே நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் பாரோர் புகழ படிந்திலோரும் பவர் பாரோர் புகழ படிந்திலோரும் பவர் பாரோர் புகழ படிந்தேலோரும் பவர் பாரோர் புகழ படிந்தேலோரும் பவர் மார்கழி திங்கள்
Next, we present an Ashtapati. Ashtapati means 8 steps. It refers to the fact that each hymn is made of 8 couplets. Ashtapatis refer to Sanskrit hymns of Gita Govindam composed by a 12th century poet Jayadeva. The Ashtapatis that they describe the beauty of Lord Krishna. It is considered a masterpiece in the esoteric spirituality. We now present Pashyati Dishi Dishi, a 12th century composition from Geeta Govindam set to the ragam Desh, and the talam is Adi. This raga has its origin in the Hindustani system. This composition will be presented by Shruti Ganesh, Vidubala Vasudevan and Meenaranjini Vasudevan.
पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् त्वददर मधुर मधुनि पिबन्तम् नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् त्वददर मधुर मधुनि पिबन्तम् नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् त्वदभिसरणरभसेदमरन्ति त्वदभिसरणरभसेदमरन्ति पतितपदानि कियति जलन्ति पतितपदानि कियति जलन्ति नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् विहित विशद किसलय बलया विहित विशद किसलय बलया जीवति परमिह तव रदि कलया जीवति परमिह तव रदि कलया नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् श्रीजयदेव कवेरितमोदितम् श्रीजयदेव कवेरितमोदितम् रसिकजनार्दनो तामदिमोदितम् रसिकजनार्दनो तामदिमोदितम् नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम्
Our next composer is from the 15th century. He is hailed as the Andhra Kavi Pitamaha, which translates to the godfather of Telugu songwriting in English. He is said to have written over 32,000 kirtanas in praise of Lord Venkateshwara, and out of these only 12,000 are known today. Though he was well known in his days, his music went missing for several centuries and were found written on copper plates in a hidden room opposite to the Hundi of Tirumala temple in the 19th century. I invite Srimati Aruna Rajan to present Madhava Keshava Madhusudana Vishnu in the Ragam Mohanam and the Talam is Adi.
माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु श्रीधर पदनकौ चिन्तयामि यूयम् माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु श्रीधर पदनकौ चिन्तयामि यूयम् माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु वामन गोविन्द वासुदेव प्रद्युम्न वामन गोविन्द वासुदेव प्रद्युम्न वामन गोविन्द वासुदेव प्रद्युम्न वामन गोविन्द वासुदेव प्रद्युम्न राम राम कृष्ण नारायणाच्युत वामन गोविन्द वासुदेव प्रद्युम्न राम राम कृष्ण नारायणाच्युत दामोदर निरुद्ध देव पुण्डरीकाक्ष दामोदर निरुद्ध देव पुण्डरीकाक्ष नामत्रयाधीश नमो 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 दामोदर निरुद्ध देव पुण्डरीकाक्ष नामत्रयाधीश नमो 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 माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु श्रीधर पदनकौ चिन्तयामि यूयम् माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु महित जनार्दन मत्स्य कूर्म वराह 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 सहज भार्गव बुध जयतु रग कल्की महित जनार्दन मत्स्य कूर्म वराह सहज भार्गव बुध जयतु रग कल्की विहित विज्ञान श्री वेंकटेश शुभ करो विहित विज्ञान श्री वेंकटेश शुभ करो अहमित तव पद दास्य मनीषं भजामि अहमित तव पद दास्य मनीषं भजामि माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु श्रीधर पदनकौ चिन्तयामि यूयम् माधव केशव मधुसूदन विष्णु
The next composition, Ni Tattvamagi, is from the Tirupugal written by Arunagirinadar. He is one of Tiruvannamalai's most famous saints and a renowned devotee of Lord Muruga or Kartikeya. He lived at the foothill of Mount Arunachala in the 15th century. The speciality of this composition is that my guru, Sri K.N. Shashikiran, actually tuned it in the Ragam Balaji, Sankirna Chaputalam. Sri K.N. Shashikiran is a multi-talented techno-savvy musician and he's a very popular vocalist. He sings as Karnataka Brothers with his cousin Chitravina Shripi Ganesh. He stormed into the world of Carnatic music as a child prodigy at the tender age of 2, where he identified several ragas, talas and complicated aspects of Carnatic music. And then he received intense training under his father, Chitravina Narasimhan, and also under his brother, Chitravina Sri Ravi Kiran. And he has also been groomed by Sangeeta Acharya, Calcutta Sri K.S. Krishnamurti sir, Sangeeta Kalanidhi T. Brindama, and Sangeeta Kalanidhi T. Vishwanathan sir, and Sangeeta Kalanidhi Dr. Balamurali Krishna sir. And he also was trained on the Mridangam by Vidwan Palkat Sundaram sir. Shruti Ganesh will be presenting a short raga outline for this, followed by Vidubala Vasudevan, Meena Ranjini Vasudevan, and Shruti Ganesh rendering this composition.
Tadadina na 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 na
To be glorified by one's own guru is a rarity and a blessing. Vyasatirtha, his guru, wrote Dasar Endare Purandara Dasaraya in one of his songs. Yes, our next composer is Sri Purandara Dasa, a wealthy merchant of gold, silver and other miscellaneous jewelry from Karnataka. He gave away all his material riches to become a Haridasa, which literally means a servant of God or servant of Lord Krishna or Hari. He in fact organized or streamlined the method of teaching Carnatic music, which is even followed in the present times. He introduced Raga Maya Malavagaula as the basic scale for music instructions and to learn the graded lessons like Sarli Varisais, Janta Varisais, Alankarams, Dat Varisais and so on. We now present Dayamado Ranga in the Ragam Kalyani. Shruti Ganesh will be presenting an elaborate Raga Alapana for this, followed by Sahana Kumar, Vidubala, Meena Ranjini and Shruti rendering the composition. Then Vidubala and Meena Ranjini will be presenting the Kalpana Swaras for this song.
ಹಲವು ಕಾಲದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲಯೇ ನಗೆ ಹಲವು ಕಾಲದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲಯೇ ನಗೆ ಹಲವು ಕಾಲದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲಯೇ ನಗೆ ಒಲಿದು ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಬಾರಿ ಜನಾಭ ಹಲವು ಕಾಲದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲಯೇ ನಗೆ ಒಲಿದು ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೇ ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣ 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 ಸಹಾಯ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಸರ್ವದೋದ್ಧಾರ ಕರುಣಾ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೇ ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣ ಸಹಾಯ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಸರ್ವದೋದ್ಧಾರ ಕರುಣಾ ಕರಿರಾಜವರದನೆ ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲದ ಕರಿರಾಜವರದನೆ ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲದ ಕರಿರಾಜವರದನೆ ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲದ ಕರಿರಾಜವರದನೆ ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೆ ಹರಿ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ ಕರಿರಾಜವರದನೆ ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೆ ಹರಿ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ ಕರಿರಾಜವರದನೆ ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೆ ಹರಿ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ರಂಗ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿನ್ನ ದಾಸನು ನಾ ಎಂದು ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ರಂಗ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೇ ಸಾನಿದ ಪಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೇ ಗರಿ ಸನಿದ ಪಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸಾನಿದ ಪದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸಾನಿದ ಪಮ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ತಿರಿ ಸನಿದ ಸಾನಿದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ಸನಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿದ ಪನಿದ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಾದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಾನಿದ ಪಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ಪಮ ಪದನಿ ಸ ಪದನಿದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗಮ ಪದನಿ ಸ ಸಾನಿದ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರ ಪಾಲನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ರೀ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಪದ ದ ಪಮ ಇಹ ಪರ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಇಹ ಪರ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಪದ 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 ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ದ ಪದ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಇಹ ಪರಗತಿ ನೀನೇ
Our next composer is a Tamil Trinity who lived in the 16th century. Predominantly, he spent his life in Chidambaram, singing in front of Lord Nataraja's shrine. Muthu Tandavar, Marimutha Pillai and Arunachala Kaviraya, they were called as the Trinity, Tamil Trinities. Okay, now we are going to listen to Sevikka Vendumayya, a composition by Muthu Tandavar in the Raga Mandolika and the Talamazadi. This will be presented by Sahana Kumar, Vidubala Vasudevan, Meena Ranjini Vasudevan and Shruti Ganesh.
Sevikka Vendumayya Sevikka Vendumayya Nee Sevikka Vendumayya Nee Sevikka Vendumayya Chidambaram Sevikka Vendumayya Chidambaram Sevikka Vendumayya Chidambaram Sevikka Vendumayya சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா சிதம்பரம் சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா சிதம்பரம் சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா ஐயா சேவிக்க வேண்டும் சிதம்பரமூர்த்தியா 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 தேவாதி தேவன் திருசந்நிதி கண்டு சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா சேவிக்க வேண்டும் சிதம்பரமூர்த்தியா தேவாதி தேவன் திருசந்நிதி கண்டு சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா சிதம்பரம் சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா ஐயா சிங்காரமான சிவ கங்கையில் மூழ்கி 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 சிவகாமி சந்நிதி முன்பாகவே வந்து சிவகாமி சந்நிதி முன்பாகவே வந்து சிவகாமி சந்நிதி முன்பாகவே வந்து சிவகாமி சந்நிதி முன்பாகவே வந்து பாங்காகவே பிரதட்சிணமும் செய்து 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 பக்தர்கள் சீதர்கள் பணிவுடையோடு சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா பாங்காகவே பிரதட்சிணமும் செய்து பக்தர்கள் சீதர்கள் பணிவுடையோடு சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா சிதம்பரம் சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா ஐயா ஐயா
Our next composer was popularly called Bhakta Ramadasu or Bhadrachala Ramadasu. He was from the 17th century and a huge devotee of Lord Rama. In fact, he spent all his life, his entire life, building a temple for Lord Rama in Bhadrachalam. He was in fact a contemporary of other stalwarts like Annamacharya, Tyagaraja Swami and Shyama Shastrigal. It is said that Tyagaraja Swami was in fact inspired by Bhadrachalam Ramadasu. In his Kriti Kaliki Unte, composed in Kiravani Ragam, Tyagaraja Swami asks, Rama, had I only devoutly worshipped your feet as the cream of devotees like Prahlada, Narada, Parashara or Ramadasa, would you not have ordained me a favorable destiny? So that was how Bhadrachala Ramadasu was held in his times. And in fact, being acknowledged by another contemporary composer of his time is a great thing. So we are now going to listen to Rama Daya Judave, a kriti by Sri Bhadrachala Ramadasu in the ragam Dhanyasi, The Talam is Adi. The composition will be presented by Shruti Ganesh, Sahana Kumar, Meena Ranjini Vasudevan and Vidubala Vasudevan.
Daya Judavi
During a lecture demonstration by Nida Mangalam Krishnamurthy Bhagavatar in December 1955, the Music Academy Madras Experts Committee noted that this composer filled a gap between Purandara Dasa and the Carnatic music trinity, Tyagaraja Swami Dikshitar and Shyama Shastrigal. In fact, Purandara Dasa lived between 1484 to 1564 and the trinities were around 1760s and so on. So this particular composer was believed to have filled the gap between the Purandara Dasa's time and the trinity's time. His Saptaratnas, 7 gems, are dazzling creations resembling the Pancharatna Kritis of Tyagaraja Swami. Though the composer that we are talking about, Oothukadu Venkatakavi, is said to have lived much before Tyagaraja Swami. We are now going to be listening to Kshanameva Ganya Manye in the Ragam Bauli, Talam Adi, and this will be presented by Sahana Kumar and Shruti Ganesh.
Kshanameva Ganya Manye, Kshanameva Ganya Manye, Kshanameva Ganya Manye, Kshanameva Ganya Manye, Purva Punyena Shri Krishnanosmadana 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 Kshanameva Ganya Manye. Gunagana Bhajana, Gunagana Bhajana, Vaibhava Bhashita, Gunagana Bhajana, Vaibhava Bhashita, Gunagana Bhajana, Vaibhava Bhashita, Gunagana Bhajana, Vaibhava Bhashita, Govinda Madhusudana, Hari Govinda Madhusudana Nama Goshita, Govinda Madhusudana Nama Goshita, Govinda Madhusudana Nama Goshita, Kshanameva Ganya Manye, Purva Punyena Shri Krishnanosmadana Kshanameva Ganya Manye. Nigamagana Charani Raja Samakara Vigapagari Sada Madhu Muralidhar, Nigamagana Charani Raja Samakara Vigapagari Sada Madhu Muralidhar, Nagadara Madakara Madhu Murahara Vara Madhava Sucharita Nigadita Shubhakara Kshanameva Ganya Manye. Nigamagana Charani Raja Samakara Vigapagari Sada Madhu Muralidhar, Nagadara Madakara Madhu Murahara Vara Madhava Sucharita Nigadita Shubhakara Kshanameva Ganya Manye. Nila Rupena Ranjita Komala Nirmala Padayuga Nupura Galgala, Nila Rupena Ranjita Komal Nirmala Padayuga Nupura Galgala, Tola Burastala Kaustuba Manivara Mukadara Smita Rashmikara Smarana Kshanameva Ganya Manye. Nila Rupena Ranjita Komal Nirmala Padayuga Nupura Galgala, Tola Burastala Kaustuba Manivara Mukadara Smikara Smarana Kshanameva Ganya Manye. Sarasa सन सनक सनातन सुजन गणादि विनूतन तन तन सार सासन सनक सनातन सुजन गणादि विनूतन तन तन कोमल पद वृंदावन विहरन गोप गोपी जन जीवन स्मरण क्षणमेव गण्य मन्ये सार सासन सनक सनातन सुजन गणादि विनूतन तन तन कोमल पद वृंदावन विहरन गोप गोपी जन जीवन स्मरण क्षणमेव गण्य मन्ये पूर्व पुण्येन श्री कृष्णानुस्मरण क्षणमेव गण्य मन्ये
Our next composer is Sri Sadashiva Brahmendrar. He was a saint and an Advaita philosopher from the 18th century whose compositions are mainly in Sanskrit. The composer is known to have been in recluse, trance-like state and was completely immersed in supreme Brahman. Shrija Metta and Shruti Ganesh will now render Manasa Sancharari in the Ragam Sama, the Talam Azadi.
मानस संचररे मानस संचररे ब्रह्मणि 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 मानस संचररे मदशिखि विञ्चालङ्कृत चिकोरे मदशिखि विञ्चालङ्कृत चिकोरे मदशिखि पिञ्चालङ्कृत चिकोरे मदशिखि पिञ्चालङ्कृत चिकोरे महनीय कपोल बीजित मुकुरे मदशिखि पिञ्चालङ्कृत चिकोरे महनीय कपोल बीजित मुकुरे मानस संचररे ब्रह्मणि मानस संचररे श्रीरमणी कुच दुर्ग विहारे श्रीरमणी कुच दुर्ग विहारे श्रीरमणी कुच दुर्ग विहारे श्रीरमणी कुच दुर्ग विहारे सेवक जन मंदिर मंदारे श्रीरमणी कुच दुर्ग विहारे सेवक जन मंदिर मंदारे परमहंस मुख चंद चकोरे परमहंस मुख चंद चकोरे परिपूरित मुरलीरवतारे परमहंस मुख चंद चकोरे परिपूरित मुरलीरवतारे मानस संचररे ब्रह्मणि मानस संचररे
until this point we were listening to a lot of pre-Trinity compositions, and now we are going to move on to Trinity composers. And our first Trinity composer will be Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. He was a poet, singer and a veena player. The story goes like this. Lord Muruga, the main deity of the temple at Tirutani, apparently placed a sugar candy in Dikshitar's tongue and instructed him to sing. And this marked the beginning of Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's musical journey, and it also led to him adopting the mudra Guru Guha. Guru Guha is one of the many names that Lord Muruga has. So Dikshitar adopted this mudra or signature Guru Guha. You can listen to a lot of his compositions and it will always have this mudra or signature Guru Guha. In fact, his first composition was in Raga Maya Malavagaula, Sri Nathadi Guru Guho Jayati Jayati. But we are going to be presenting Sri Saraswati Namostute in the Ragam Arabi, set to Rupaka Talam, and this will be presented by Netra Kartishwaran.
Shri Saraswati Namostute Paradeshi Saraswati Namostute Paradeshi Saraswati Namostute Paradeshi Saraswati Namostute Paradeshi Saraswati Namostute Varade Paradevate Shripati Gauri Pati Guru Guha Vinute Vidiyuvate Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Paradevate Shripati Gauri Pati Guru Guha Vinute Vidiyuvate Shri Saraswati Namostute Vasanatraya Vivarjita Paramuni Vagvitamute Vasanatraya Vivarjita Paramuni Vagvitamute Pasavadya Kilani Charavaraditarana Bahukite Pasavadya Kilani Charavaraditarana Bahukite Pasavadya Kilani Charavaraditarana Bahukite Pasavadya Kilani Charavaraditarana Bahukite Tarahasayuta Mukamburu He Adbhuta Charanamburu He Samsara Vidyapahe Sakala Mantrakshara Guhe Shri Saraswati Namostute Darahasayuta Mukamburu He Adbhuta Charanamburu He Samsara Vidyapahe Sakala Mantrakshara Guhe Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Paradevate Shripati Gauri Pati Guru Guha Vinute Vidiyuvate Shri Saraswati Namostute
The next composer that we are going to cover is one of the oldest. He is the oldest Trinity composer, none other than Shyama Shastrigal. He composed several Varnams, Kritis and Swarajatis with the mudra Shyama Krishna, and most of his songs were in praise of goddess Kamakshi. This composition that we're going to be presenting is Tarunam Idamma in the Ragam Gauli Bantu. And although he predominantly composed in Telugu, there were a few, this is actually a very rare Tamil composition by Shyama Shastrigal. And Shruti Ganesh, Meena Ranjini Vasudevan and Vidubala Vasudevan will be presenting this song.
தருணம் நீதம்மா தருணம் நீதம்மா என்னை ரட்சிக்க 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 தருணம் நீதம்மா கருணாநிதி ஆகிய காமாட்சி கருணாநிதி ஆகிய காமாட்சி கருணாநிதி ஆகிய காமாட்சி கருணாநிதி ஆகிய காமாட்சி ரட்சிக்க தருணம் நீதம்மா கருணாநிதி ஆகிய காமாட்சி ரட்சிக்க தருணம் நீதம்மா என்னை ரட்சிக்க தருணம் நீதம்மா என்னை ரட்சிக்க தருணம் நீதம்மா காமித பலத்தை கைமேல் தருவாயே காமித பலத்தை கைமேல் தருவாயே காமித பலத்தை கைமேல் தருவாயே காமித பலத்தை கைமேல் தருவாயே கண் பார்த்து ரட்சிப்பது எப்போதும் நீயே காமித பலத்தை கைமேல் தருவாயே கண் பார்த்து ரட்சிப்பது எப்போதும் நீயே சோமசேகரன் பாதி சுந்தரி கோமாரி சோமசேகரன் பாதி சுந்தரி கோமாரி சோமசேகரன் பாதி சுந்தரி கோமாரி ಶ್ಯಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಶೈಲರಾಜ ಕುಮಾರಿ ತರುಣಂ ನೀರಮ್ಮ ಸೋಮಶೇಖರನ್ ಪಾದಿ ಸುಂದರಿ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಶೈಲರಾಜ ಕುಮಾರಿ ತರುಣಂ ನೀದಮ್ಮ என்னை ரட்சிக்க தருணம் நீதம்மா என்னை ரட்சிக்க தருணம் நீதம்மா
We have covered two Trinity composers already. So we are left with the third Trinity composer, Sri Tyagaraja Swami. And anytime we think of the word Nadopasana, the first name that comes to our mind is Tyagaraja Swami. He has composed predominantly in Telugu and most of his compositions are in praise of Lord Rama. And in fact, when we think of Tyagaraja Swami, the first thing that also comes to our mind is Pancharatnakritis or the 5 gems. In fact, this is sung in many aradhanas across the world in honor of Tyagaraja Swami. And I now invite Netra Karthishwaran to present Varashiki Vahana, which is a very, very rare composition by Tyagaraja Swami in praise of Lord Muruga in Rendukale Adithalam and the Ragam Supradimam.
Varashiki Vahana परशिकी वाहन पारिजलोचन परशिकी वाहन पारिजलोचन परशिकी वाहन पारिजलोचन परशिकी वाहन पारिजलोचन परशिकी वाहन वारिजलोचन परशिकी वाहन वारिजलोचन पुरुषं तनुजित कुसुम शरायुत पुरुषं तनुजित कुसुम शरायुत वरशिकी वाहन वारिजलोचन पुरुषं तनुजित कुसुम शरायुत परशिकी वाहन वारिजलोचन पुरुषं तनुजित कुसुम शरायुत परशिकी वाहन शरज पवामुद वाहन आदि 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 सुरनुत पाद सुगुण कुमार सुरनुत पाद सुगुण कुमार सुरनुत पाद सुगुण कुमार वरशिकी वाहन वारिजलोचन पुरुषं तनुजित कुसुम शरायुत परशिकी वाहन तारक सूर पद्मासुर तूल
Our next composer is from the 19th century, Ganam Krishna Iyer, who was very famous for his padams. Padams are expressive songs of 3 or more stanzas used as an accompaniment to classical dance, in fact. And Shrija Metta and Shruti Ganesh will now be presenting Jagat Janani in the Ragam Ratipati Priya Talamadi in Tamil.
जगज्जननी शुकपाणि कल्याणि 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 जगज्जननी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी चोक्कनादर मणं मगिळुं मीनाक्षी चोक्कनादर मणं मगिळुं मीनाक्षी चोक्कनादर मणं मगिळुं मीनाक्षी जगज्जननी शुकपाणि कल्याणि जगज्जननी पाण्ड्यकुमारी भवानी अम्बा पाण्ड्यकुमारी भवानी अम्बा पाण्ड्यकुमारी भवानी अम्बा पाण्ड्यकुमारी भवानी अम्बा शिव शङ्करी परमेश्वरी पाण्ड्यकुमारी भवानी अम्बा शिव शङ्करी परमेश्वरी वेणुं वरं दर இன்னும் மனமில்லையோ வேண்டும் வரம் தர 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 இன்னும் மனமில்லையோ வேத வேதாந்த நாத ஸ்வரூபிணி வேத வேதாந்த நாத ஸ்வரூபிணி வேத வேதாந்த நாத ஸ்வரூபிணி ஜகஜனனி சுகபாணி கல்யாணி ஜகஜனனி
Our next composer is Maharaja Swathi Thirunal, who is credited with over 400 compositions, and his palace was a home to many musicians and artists. Prince Ramavarma, who is a renowned South Indian classical musician and a descendant of the Maharaja Swati Thirunal's lineage, organizes the Swati Sangeetotsavam, a 10-day music festival featuring exclusive compositions by Maharaja Swati Thirunal. So, we invite Shrija Metta and Shruti Ganesh to present Deva Deva Jagadishwara in the Ragam Purvi Kalyani and the Talam Azadi. Most of us know this composer through his popular varnams, Navaraga Malika Varnam Valachi Vachi and Every Bodhana in Abogi. But today we are going to actually present Raghuvamsha Sudambudhi Chandrashri. Yes, the composer is Sri Patnam Subramania Iyer. This is in the Ragam Gadana Gudugalam and Talamadi. We will have Shruti Ganesh, Meena Ranjini Vasudevan, Vidubala Vasudevan and Sahana Kumar presenting this composition.
Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Rama 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 Rajeshwara Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri 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 Agameda Maruta Shikara Agameda Maruta Shikara Agameda Maruta Shikara Agameda Maruta Shikara Asurendra Mrigendra Vara Jagannatha Asurendra Mrigendra Vara Jagannatha Asurendra Mrigendra Vara Jagannatha Asurendra Mrigendra Vara Jagannatha Sa Rima Gari Sari Rima Da Gani Ga Ga Pa Sa Sa Ri Da Pa Ma Ga Pa Ma Gari Sari Rima Ma Da Gani Ga Pa Pa Sa Sa Ri Rima Ma Ga Gari Ri Sa Sa Ri Ni Da Da Pa Pa Ma Gari Sa Ri Ma Gari Sa Ri Rima Da Gani Ga Ga Pa Sa Sa Ri Da Pa Ma Ga Pa Ma Gari Sa Ri Rima Ma Da Gani Ga Pa Pa Sa Sa Ri Rima Ma Ga Gari Ri Sa Sa Ri Ni Da Da Pa Pa Ma Gari Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Rama 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 Rajeshwara Raghuvamsha-sudambudhi Chandrashri Bhrigunandana Garbhavanjana Bhrigunandana Garbhavanjana Bhrigunandana Garbhavanjana Bhrigunandana Garbhavanjana Vrindara Kavinda Hitakatana Bhrigunandana Garbhavanjana Vrindara Kavinda Hitakatana Nigamantavasa Moolavana Nigamantavasa Moolavana Nigamantavasa Moolavana Nigamantavasa Moolavana Nirajaksha Venkateshwara Nirajaksha Venkateshwara Nirajaksha Venkateshwara Nirajaksha సరి రి మ ద ద ని గ గ ప స సరి ద ప మ గ ప మ గ రి సరి రి మ మ ద ద ని గ ప ప స సరి రి మ మ గ రి రి స స ని ని ద ద ప ప మ గ రి ద వంశ సూదాంబుది చంద్ర శ్రీ రామ 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 రాజేశ్వర రఘువంశ సూదాంబుది చంద్ర శ్రీ.
Our next composer is Harikesanalu Sri Muttaya Bhagavatar, who belongs to the line of the Agaraja Swami's disciples. And he was, in fact, he's regarded as one of the largest among the post-Trinity composers. He was adept at playing the Chitraveena as well as the Mridangam. And his theoretical knowledge about music and its science was very, very, very vast. He is the author of the masterpiece in Carnatic music theory called Sangeeta Kalpatrumam. He was awarded an honorary doctorate by the Kerala University, and he was also a court musician at Mysore Maharaja's court. And he was in fact conferred with the prestigious Sangeeta Kalanidhi title by the Music Academy in 1930. I now invite Srimati Aruna Rajan to present Ambavani Nannu in the Ragam Keeravani and the Thalamazadi.
అంబవాణి నన్ను ఆదరించవే, 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 అంబవాణి నన్ను ఆదరించవే. శంబరారి వైరి శంబరారి వైరి శాతోదరి, శంబరారి వైరి శాతోదరి, శంబరారి వైరి శాతోదరి, శంబరారి వైరి శాతోదరి, కంబుగణ సీత కమలేశ్వరి, కంబుగణ సీత కమలేశ్వరి, కంబుగణ సీత కమలేశ్వరి, అంబవాణి నన్ను ఆదరించవే, అంబవాణి నన్ను ఆదరించవే. పరదేవి నిన్ను భజించి నిరద, పరదేవి నిన్ను భజించి నిరద, భక్తులను బ్రోచే పంకజాసిని, పరదేవి నిన్ను భజించి నిరద, భక్తులను బ్రోచే పంకజాసిని, వరవీణా పాణి, వరవీణా పాణి వాగ్విలాసిని, వరవీణా పాణి వాగ్విలాసిని, వరవీణా పాణి వాగ్విలాసిని, హరికేశపుర ఆదరించవే
Our next composer is Chitravina Shriyan Ravikiran, and as we get ready to wrap up this segment, we present a Tillana composed by this prodigious composer. He is the son of the illustrious Chitravina Shriyan Narasimhan, a trendsetter in Carnatic music who chose to create a path in music education and child education rather than pursuing the usual route of performances and routine music tuitions. Chitravina Shriyan Ravikiran, he is also the grandson of Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar, and at the tender age of 2, Chitravina Shriyan Ravikiran identified several rare ragas like Sneha Priya, Keshava Priya, and so Mohini, Garuda Priya, so many ragas at that age. And in fact, Pandit Ravi Shankar had made a statement, if you don't believe in God, just look at Ravikiran. That was how he was introduced to the world of Carnatic music at that tender age of 2. And he has created several kritis, varnams, javalis, tillanas, padams, and many North Indian bhajans for the North Indian form as well. And he was also the first prominent musician to have created pieces in each of the 35 talas, the 7 basic talas, and also like credited with a unique 72 Mela Ragamalika Geetam, and a 13-part piece which covers all the 72 principal ragas of Carnatic music in just 7 minutes. Chitravina Shriyan Ravikiran is also a recipient of the Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award from the Music Academy, Chennai. And we now present a Tillana in the Ragam Hamsanadam and Talam Mishra Chapu. Shruti Ganesh will be presenting this piece for us now.
Nadedim tadum tadirana Nadedim tadum tadirana Dirana dedim tadum tadirana Dirana dedim tadum tadirana Dirana dirana dedim tadum tadirana Dirana dirana dedim tadum tadirana Dirana 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 dedim tadum tadirana Dirana 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 dedim tadum tadirana Tarikita tillana tarikita dirana Takita dirana tanadirana Tadirana dirana dedim tadum tadirana Tarikita tillana tarikita dirana Takita dirana tanadirana Tadirana dirana dedim tadum tadirana Dirana Nadidani tom tom dadani tom Nadidani tom tom dadani tom Dadani tom takita dirana Nadidani tom tom dadani tom Dadani tom takita dirana Tanadirana 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 Dedim tadum tadirana Nadidani tom tom dadani tom Dadani tom takita dirana Tanadirana 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 Dedim tadum tadirana Nadidani tom tom dadani tom Dadani tom takita dirana Tanadirana tanadirana tadirana Tadirana dirana dirana Dedim tadum tadirana Nadidani tom tom dadani tom Dadani tom takita dirana Tanadirana tanadirana tadirana Tadirana dirana dirana Dedim tadum tadirana Tarikita tillana tarikita dirana Takita dirana tanadirana Tadirana dirana Dedim tadum tadirana Dirana Mangalakara mangala rupa Nanga janaka ranga pudava रङ्गनायकि प्रेमान्तरङ्गनाथ रविशशिलोचन मङ्गलकर मङ्गलरूप अनङ्गजनक रङ्गपुरवास रङ्गनायकि प्रेमान्तरङ्गनाथ रविशशिलोचन तां तकिटतां निपमरि तकिटतों मर्रि सजं तकिटजं परिसरि रिसनि पमरि सरि मता तकिटतां निपमरि तकिटतों मर्रि सजं तकिटजं परिसरि रिसनि पमरि सरि म परिसरि निसरे सरि दिरनारि निपनि मपनि पनि तिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरना तिरना दिरना दीप्तदों ददिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरनारि निपनि मपनि पनि दिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरना 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 दीप्तदों ददिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरनारि निपनि मपनि पनि दिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरना 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 दीप्तदों ददिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरनारि निपनि मपनि पनि दिरना परिसरि निसरि सरि दिरना 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 दीप्तदों ददिरना तरिकिटतिल्लान तरिकिटदिरना तकिटदिरना तनदिरना तदिरना दिरना दीप्तदों ददिरना दिरना.
We now conclude our presentation with a composition composed by my guru, Chitraveena Shri P. Ganesh, in the Ragam Hamsanandi and the Thalam is Adi, and this is about the Mantralayam Mahan, Raghavendra Swami. Chitraveena Ganesh, he is a world record setting slide instrumentalist and vocalist and is also the grandson of the legendary Gotvadyam Narayana Iyengar. He stormed into the world of Carnatic music at the tender age of 2.5, and he was trained by the Chitraveena maestro, his maternal uncle, Chitraveena Shri N. Narasimhan, and he was able to identify around 225 ragas and 175 talas and answer so many technical questions with these at that tender age. In fact, he is one of the best Chitraveena performers in the country today, and he also is a very, very highly competent vocalist and performs with his cousin and also my guru, Shri Vidwan Shri K. Shashikiran. He performs with Shashikiran sir as Karnataka Brothers, and he has toured the world extensively and performed in many, many venues across the US, UK, Europe, Canada, Singapore, and all around the world. We now present this song Rayare Guru Rayare. This will be presented by Shruti Ganesh, Vidubala Vasudevan, Meena Ranjini Vasudevan, and Sahana Kumar.
ರಾಯರೇ ಗುರು ರಾಯರೇ ಬಿಡನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದವೆಂದೆಂದು ನಾನು ರಾಯರೇ ಗುರು ರಾಯರೇ ಬಿಡನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದವೆಂದೆಂದು ನಾನು ರಾಯರೇ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಯವರವೀತು ಧನುಷಣವ ತರುವ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಯವರವೀತು ಧನುಷಣವ ತರುವ ರಾಯರೇ ಗುರು ರಾಯರೇ ಬಿಡನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದವೆಂದೆಂದು ನಾನು ರಾಯರೇ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಂದಣಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಂದಣಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ ನೀ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಂದಣಿ ಕಲಿಯುಗ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ದೈವಹುನಿ ಕಲಿಯುಗ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ದೈವಹುನಿ ಕಲಿಯುಗ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ದೈವಹುನಿ ಕರುಣಿಸು ವಿವೇಕ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಕಲಿಯುಗ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ದೈವಹುನಿ ಕರುಣಿಸು ವಿವೇಕ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ರಾಯರೇ ಗುರು ರಾಯ ಕೊಡುವೆ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊಡುವೆ ಸುಖದಾನವನ ಕೊಡು ಕಾಪಾಡುವೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊಡುವೆ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊಡುವೆ ಸುಖದಾನವನ ಕೊಡು ಕಾಪಾಡುವೆ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡದೆ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವೆ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡದೆ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವೆ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡದೆ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವೆ ಹಂಸಾನಂದಿ ರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡು ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡದೆ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವೆ ಹಂಸಾನಂದಿ ರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡುವೆ ರಾಯರೇ ಗುರುರಾಯರೇ ಬಿಡನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದವ ಎಂದೆಂದು ನಾನು ರಾಯರೇ
We thank Kala Prashala board members for providing to us this wonderful opportunity to make this presentation. A Karnataka Gurukul presentation performing under the able guidance of our Guru Srimati Preeti Narasimhan, featuring a few compositions from the pre-Trinity to contemporary times. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the following artists: Vidubala Vasudevan, Sahana Kumar, Meena Ranjani Vasudevan, Shruti Ganesh, Netra Kartiswaran, Shrija Metta, and Srimati Aruna Rajan, who have performed during the special program today. We also sincerely thank the members of the audience from across the globe for all your wonderful appreciation, comments, support and motivation. Thanks once again. Namaste.